Sony and Honda just announced their new electric car brand, Afeela.
How do you feel about that?
Well, it reminds me of, remember the shoe company Fila? But Fila?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I'm having a hard time getting into it. The two companies' joint venture aim to have an EV ready for the North American market by 2026. I am a Sony fan and a Honda fan.
Yeah.
So
this is perfect for you.
So I'm like, okay.
Just not the name.
I'm like, okay, this is cool. Why didn't they just combine Sony and Honda and call it Sonda?
Shonda?
That's right. Or what would be the alternative? Honey. Honey.
Okay, yeah. Sure.
I mean, it is a word that is recognizable. In other words, you're not going to overlook it. You're going to look at that and go, okay, that is something new. I haven't seen those sounds quite like that before. Sony and Honda's joint mobility venture unveiled a new EV prototype called Afeela. Oh, so it's not the brand? Is it the brand or the model? Interesting. Afeela. During Sony's presentation at CES in Las Vegas Wednesday, the brand will appear on the joint venture's first production electric car set to go on sale in North America 2026. Much is still unknown about the new brand. Okay, so it is a brand. The car would leverage Sony's experience with AI, entertainment, virtual reality, and augmented reality to present a unique EV. Well, listen, we recently had the update which enabled Steam gaming inside of a Tesla. Mm-hmm. You can imagine PlayStation-like integration inside of your Afeela. You know what? Maybe it's growing on me, Will. I just said it there. I said it faster, which made it feel a little more okay. Afeela. Yo, Come check out my new Afeela.
There's a flow to it.
Is it growing on you at all? Like a little bit, sure. Tiny bit? You're a fan of those wheels. You love aero type wheels.
Yeah, more of like the flat wheel.
You're all about range. You have lots of range anxiety.
Yeah. I'd like it.
The prototype, or do you just like the look of it?
I do.
But you like the look and the function.
I feel it.
I'm out of here.
Oh, God.
See you later.
That was terrible.
Prototype unveiled on stage looked a little like the concept first revealed by Sony at CES 3 years ago. Damn, was that 3 years ago? Will, you are 147 years old.
Yeah, don't remind me.
Instead, this was a sedan with a light bar across the front, a closed-off grille. Yep. Black roof. Yeah, they did the two-tone effect with it. I don't mind it. Like, I am just so curious. This whole space, Will, excites me. The whole space. Mm-hmm. All of it. The new brands, they went with the yoke as well. Hopefully it's real leather or something more durable than whatever. I just think what Tesla did on their yoke, it was just too thin. That's all. Like, they can probably use their synthetic material, but I just need a thicker substance on there, Will, or a different adhesion.
Got it.
Why am I going back? You see, I'm so irritated by it. I really don't want to do this swap out, and this stuff keeps
Go for the circular.
Keeps me up at night here,
Just
Will.
do it.
All the way to the circular. But I feel less futuristic. What about my spaceship, Will?
Nah, don't worry about it.
I have to fly my spaceship, Will.
That's all right.
I paid good money for my spaceship, Will.